Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm going to explain you about Cookcraft by Candace Reviews, and in this video I'll also help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular website, which is cookcraftco.com. And this is an online store that deals with high quality cookware items, including saute pan, French skillet, dual handle casserole, and 1.5 QT saucepans, other utensil holders, 5-piece utensil set, 6-piece accessory set, as well as 8 QT stock pot, etc. So they are offering the huge collection of cookware items with high quality material, and the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys. Now talking about the payment information, so they have not provided the payment info section in the menu option button, and this is the particular product. You can take a look here in the section or in the particular product category. You will find the payment info, which is you can make the payment via MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Afterpay, PayPal, Shopify, Dinners Club, and Discover as well. And they have provided the limited description about the products, which is a positive sign. You will get the specifications of particular product as well. Now guys, talking about the shipping policy, you need to visit the shipping policy section, but here they have not provided the shipping duration, which is a negative sign. Anyhow guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this particular site is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a positive sign in the aspect of legitimacy point. And apart from that, coming to the domain information, the domain name was created on 23rd of June 2017. It means that this website is a 4 years old website, guys, and this defines its legitimacy because this is an old domain name that was registered previously. And apart from that, coming to the company's detail, let's check out the company's information by visiting the About Us page of this particular site. So this is the About Us page. Here they have mentioned the entire info related to their expertise, related to the brand connection info, their partnership info, offering information as well. So yes, they have provided the entire information, which is a positive sign. So this makes the site quite legit, guys. Now coming to the contact us details, let's check out the contact us page. So this is the contact us page. Here they have provided a query form as well. For your queries, you can send a message via this query form. Apart from that, they have provided the customer care number, the email address, and official address, which is a positive sign. So this is a good sign, guys, that define its legitimacy. Now coming to the return policy, let's check out the return policy. So guys, in warranty policy section, you will get the entire sections including return. So here you can see, to complete your return, we require a receipt or proof of purchase. They have only mentioned this note, but they have not provided the exact return policy. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And talking about Cookcraft by Candace reviews, we have found 4.5-star rating on one platform and 5-star rating out of 5 on other platforms. So this is a positive sign because positive customer reviews or feedbacks plays a crucial role in defining a particular website's legitimacy. One of the customers said they are amazing quality. To the person saying they are too expensive, yes, they are not the cheapest pans, but I know they will last forever and the quality is unmatched. I see it is an investment in healthy lifelong eating. Another customer said, quality product, some of the best cookware I ever purchased. So these are the positive comments that was posted by the verified customers, guys. Apart from that, this website is popular as this trust index score of the site is 86%. And yes, this website is professionally managed. And talking about the social media presence of the site, guys, you can see the site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And it comes with huge followers and 1986 followers on Facebook, And let's check out the number of followers on Instagram. So the number of followers on Instagrams are 8,009 followers, guys. They have 8,009 followers on Instagram and few followers on Twitter as well. It means that the site has social media presence on these platforms that define its online presence. So this is a positive sign, guys, that makes the site quite legit. However, they have not provided the return policy in detail and shipping policy in detail, which is a negative sign. But yes, in the final conclusion, we would say this website is a legit website. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.